Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So, today's topic is nomenclature. Now, before going toward the nomenclature, I want to tell something that is carbon. We are studying about organic chemistry and nomenclature of organic chemistry. The carbon is the most important thing in the organic chemistry. So, first we must know the atomic number of carbon. What is the atomic number of carbon? Atomic number of carbon is 6. We have given here the atomic number of carbon is 6. Okay, so how they placed? How they are placed? This is nucleus. It is the first shell. First shell contains 2 electrons. The electron capacity for each cell is like 2, 8, then 8, then 18 and forward. That is proton and neutron, which I already told. Then this is the 2 electron which is in the inner shell. And this is the outermost shell. If outermost shell contain 4 electrons, 4 electrons in the outermost shell, and hence the valency of the carbon is 4. Okay, why valency of carbon is 4? The outermost shell contain the 4 electrons. This outermost shell is contain 4 electrons, and hence the valency is 4. That means the valency is 4 means the carbon can bonded to the 4 another atoms. It can be carbon itself or hydrogen or any other atom. That means carbon is tetravalent. Tetra means 4. It can form 4 bond. That is tetra. Valent means having the 4 valency. That is having 4 valency. Compound is called as tetravalent. Now let's go toward the nomenclature. So, why nomenclature? Every compound has their unique identity. Every compound, anyone, any person, they have their unique identity. So nomenclature gives unique identity to organic molecules. So how? According to the number of carbon atom, like a chain. If we have 2 carbon or 3 carbon, how much carbon atom? According to that carbon atom, we get the nomenclature system. So if we have only a 1 carbon, so we called as meth. If we have a 2 carbon, then it is called as eth. If we have a 3 carbon chain, the carbon is like 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon, then it is called as prop. If we have the 4 carbon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, then it is called as bute. If we have 5 carbon, we call as pent. If we have 6 carbons, we call as hex. If we have 7 carbon, we call as sept or hept. Both can be called. If we have 8 carbon, it is called as oct. If we have 9 carbon, it is called as non. And if we have 10 carbon, it is called as dec. So this all chart is very important. Please recognize this chart to understand the nomenclature system of the organic compounds. Thank you so much.